What's up, guys? Just another day in the kitchen. Today's date is none other than February 14th, aka Valentine's Day. Ugh, it's not for some of us, but before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram at We Don't Cook Food, all our social media, We Don't Cook Food. But enough of that. As you guys saw from the title of the video, and if you guys were following us, you would know, this is a new sneaker review. This is going to be on these new Air Jordan 1 UNC chill blue patent leathers, as they call them. Now, the last time we saw a patent leather, I'm pretty sure, was the Jordan 1 gold toe release. I'm going to go ahead and throw that up right here. We, of course, cooked that up. Go Knights, those are UCF colors. But yeah, just again, this is the box right here. I did this really quick in the parking lot, as you guys can tell. Had to get you guys the review ASAP. But what'd you guys think? Were you guys able to cop these, or I don't know. They're doing pretty well, so let us know. Now let's get a drum roll going before we hop into these. And Glee! Wow, these are crazy. Got me saying Glee like Kodak. Damn. This leather quality is pretty fire. The only thing I know is once you put these on the toe, that crease is going to be pretty gnarly. But yeah, enough about me talking. Let's go ahead and dive into these. There you guys go. Again, these are the Air Jordan 1 UNC patent leather blue chills. Let us know if you guys like them. Leave a comment, subscribe. You know we got more heat coming. Might even have a giveaway tomorrow. Check it out. Thank you for cooking with us.